Hello everyone, in today's video, I will show you how to add your Cash App Cash Card to OnlyFans as a payment method. If you're not familiar with the Cash App Cash Card, it's a Visa debit card linked directly to your Cash App balance. This means you can use funds from your Cash App without transferring them to a bank account. It works like any Visa card and can be used at restaurants, stores, and online services. Today, we'll find out if it can be added to OnlyFans. First, log into your OnlyFans account. Once logged in, look for the profile icon at the bottom of the screen. It's a small person-shaped icon inside a circle. Click on it. This will open a drop-down menu. From this menu, select the option labelled Your Cards, which has a credit card icon next to it. Click on that. You'll be taken to a screen showing your current payment methods. To add a new card, locate the blue Add Card button at the top right corner and click on it. A form will appear asking for details about your Cash App Cash Card. You'll need to enter the following: the name on the card, your card's 16-digit number, the expiration date, the CVV, which is the 3-digit code on the back of your card, your billing address, including the street address, city, state, and zip code. Carefully enter all this information. Once you've filled in the form, click the blue Submit button. After a few seconds, the payment screen should refresh. If everything was entered correctly, your Cash App Cash Card will now appear as a Visa payment method in your account. If you encounter any issues while trying to add your card, it could be due to mismatched billing information or insufficient funds in your Cash App account. Double-check the information and ensure your Cash Card is active and has available funds. That's it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.